So this is a room makeover. So we got this mattress I think few days back, and the bed delayed to come in. So yes, the bed is right here. I'm excited. So let's see how it looks. So I'm going to be changing this space, and of course, as usual, let me take my thumbnail picture. I always forget to do that. Let me take a thumbnail picture of before and after. Forget about that pillow. Forget about that pillow right there. I was walking just a while ago. Yeah, so let's turn this space. Actually, this is a king size mattress that we just put on the floor for now. So the bed is here. Then yeah, I'm excited because I'll start putting the beds together. We'll couple them together, and yeah, we'll see the after and the before and after. Yo, people, look at that detail. Look at this detail. Look at this gold, right? Oh my God. We are doing black. We are doing, babe, I love it. So beautiful. Yeah, guys, the master bedroom is the most important part of the bedroom, because that is where, after unwinding, after having a hectic day at work, after having a most hectic day, you come back to sleep, and hence it's very important that you make it the way you feel, or you choose your primary style, the way you style it the way you want. And for this reason, that is why for today we're going to be going with a black theme, as you can see from the video. So we went ahead and we coupled the bed, we assembled everything, and also we made sure that we had this bamboo mattress. I really don't know where we got this from, but if I remember, I can link it in the description box. But the bed, we got a bed from where is this place? Guys, doing voiceover isn't easy. Where is this place called? I think Wayfair. We got it at Wayfair, and we just put everything together, and yeah, guys, it turned out really good. To kickstart our decoration, we're going to start off with this mirror. I got this mirror on Walmart online, and since my bedroom is really small, I think by just making the space look a little bit bigger, I bought this mirror, and it's one of the trending mirrors that I came across on TikTok, and I decided to get my own. I didn't get the bigger version. I think this is about 67 inches or so. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. So I went ahead and unboxed the mirror, and it looks so beautiful, and made sure, because it complements the bedroom. Given that the bedroom is small, it's going to make the space look a little bigger. What is a bedroom without some throw pillows? And of course, yes, we headed to TJ Maxx, got some throw pillows, got some pillows, because what we usually do is we always get rid of pillows after maybe like twice a year or 3 times a year, depending on the type of pillow that we get. So I just went ahead, and I always love to make my bed with white clean sheets, because it always gives me that hotel feel whenever I am on vacation, or I am somewhere or in a hotel. I always love this white, theme, and I thought it wise to bring it to my bedroom, because I really want that comfort. Yeah, this is the place where I spend at least half of the day, or like about 8 hours or so. So it has to be really clean. I went ahead and ironed the pillowcases off camera. So yeah, you want to make sure everything is if you want to have that hotel feel, it needs to really be good. So I went ahead, I ironed the pillowcases, as you can see in the video, put them together, and yep, it looked really good. thing, I went in with the throw pillows, guys. These throw pillows at the end of the day, before I speak about the throw pillows, I got this throw blanket, and unfortunately it wasn't that big for the king size bed. Yeah, so I just put it there for now. And the throw pillows, it's not what I wanted, so I just put it for now. And I went in with this brown color so it can complement the gold features that it comes with the bed. And yep, I just put all of them together. And then I went ahead and, of course, to add some aesthetics to the bedroom. Yeah, this throw pillow, I got it has Christmas theme though, but yeah, it doesn't matter. All is that is a throw pillow. Yeah, so I went ahead and grabbed my tray table that I got from TJ Maxx, and I went to just decorate with this natural aesthetic diffusers. And I also added this aromatic diffusers, guys. This smells like, this is a must have. The smell that this small thing has, it's something else. So I added that onto the tray table to give that aromatic and beautiful smell in the bedroom. And yep, that is it. And I love the fact that it has this LED light, and you know, it just makes the bedroom, it gives that luxurious feel to the bedroom. Yeah, so, and of course, I always love to set the mood by lighting some candles so it can smell really good. I don't leave the candle on for so long. And also went ahead and turned on the TV, put in some fireplace work, and of course turn on the light. Yeah, the lighting in here is not really good, but given the fact that we are in the high rise and it has a lot of window space, and I just decided to just leave that space like that. But with time, I think maybe I might just change it or so, but let's see. Yeah, maybe adding some curtains. So I added this Dr. Teal spray. It helps with sleep, and it gives you that soothing sleep, and it smells heavenly. You can spray it on your skin and also on your bed, on your bedding before going to bed. And that is exactly what I did. I went ahead and added this beautiful piece of I think a ginger jar on this side of the lamp. This is for this side. As you can see, we kept it simple. Like, as you can see, we kept the bedroom really simple. That is our iPhone charger, and we just put everything together. We have our, how is that thing called? I just know it's, hey Alexa, play some music. That is all I know. I forgot the name, guys. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. That is basically it for this video. And yeah, the bedroom is not really big, but at least it's a space that is kind of doable. As you can see, my tiny little office, very walkable office. It's at that corner. I didn't put much decoration there. I just left it simple. So that is how it is. This is how I transform my small space, and I got this inspiration from Pinterest. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you loved it. And of course, I added some beads and some decorative books. And yes, this is another diffuser that I have, and I added a little vase, a clear vase with some flowers. I intended for a pampas grass though, but I didn't get any pampas grass, and I'm like, okay, I wanted to shoot this video today, and I just had to put that flower for now. So yeah, guys, this is everything you see. This is my little space, my little bedroom transformation video. I hope this inspires you. I hope you love the video, and please, if you do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can leave a suggestion of what you like or what you think I can change in the bedroom. Yeah, because we're going to be doing another bedroom revamp later. So this is my simple minimalistic bedroom. I decided to keep it simple. Yeah, people, this brings this video to an end. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.